Welcome back, students. Continuing the lecture 1 in Introduction to Algebra. Today we will look at couple of examples on solving system of equations using elimination or addition method. Let's look at the example 1. Here we are given two linear equations, x minus 2y is equal to 7 and 2x plus y is equal to negative 1. We call them equations 1 and 2. Now let's look at these two equations and find out which variable can be easily eliminated. Here we can multiply equation 1 with number 2. Therefore we get 2x minus 4y is equal to 14. And keep the equation 2 as it is. 2x plus y is equal to negative 1. Now subtract these two equations on the right. Here positive 2x and negative 2x cancel out themselves. Therefore we have negative 5y is equal to 15. To find variable y, we can divide by negative 5 on both sides of this equation. Therefore we get y is equal to negative 3. Now let's find another variable. Back substitute the value of y is equal to negative 3 in either equation 1 or 2 to find the x coordinate. Substitute y is equal to negative 3 in equation 2. Hence we get 2x plus negative 3 is equal to negative 1. Therefore we have 2x minus 3 is equal to negative 1. This is simplified as 2x is equal to 2. Therefore x is equal to 1. Here the ordered pair xy is equal to 1, negative 3 is a solution of the system. Let's look at another example. We have two linear equations. 3x plus 5y is equal to negative 29 and x plus 4y is equal to negative 26. Call them equations 1 and 2. Here we can eliminate variable x. To do that, we can multiply equation 2 with number 3. Let's write down the equation 1 as it is. Multiply equation 2 with number 3. Therefore we get 3x plus 12y is equal to negative 78. Now perform the subtraction. Here positive 3x and negative 3x cancel out themselves. Therefore we have negative 7y is equal to 49. Divide by negative 7 on both sides of this equation. Therefore we get y is equal to negative 7. Now let's find the variable x. Back substitute the value of y is equal to negative 7 in equation 2. Therefore we get x plus 4 times negative 7 is equal to negative 26. This is simplified as x minus 28 is equal to negative 26. To find the variable x, we need to get rid of negative 28 on left hand side of this equation. Therefore we will add positive 28 on both sides of this equation. Hence we get x minus 28 plus 28 is equal to negative 26 plus 28. Here we can cancel out negative 28 and positive 28. Therefore we have x is equal to 2. Here the ordered pair xy is equal to 2. Negative 7 is a solution of the system.